If you want to learn how to play with Tinkercad, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the fun ways Tinkercad lets you interact with your creations, including SimLab, Minecraft mode, and Lego Brick mode. This is a great tutorial for beginners who want to do more than just design. And if this helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's start with the first and most exciting option, SimLab. If you're in Tinkercad's 3D design area, SimLab is the closest thing to a game mode. It lets you add physics to your model, so instead of just looking at your design, you can actually test how it reacts in motion. To open it, look at the top right toolbar and click the falling apple icon. Once SimLab opens, you can start assigning materials to different objects in your design. This part is where things get really fun. Click on an object and you can set it as ice, rubber, or steel. Ice makes it slippery, rubber makes it bouncy, and steel makes it heavy. These material choices change how your objects behave when the simulation starts. So if you want something to slide around, bounce, or crash with weight, this is the tool to use. It's a simple feature, but it makes your Tinkercad project feel much more interactive. After you set your materials, go to the bottom of the screen and press the play button. Once the simulation starts, your objects will respond to gravity, fall into place, bounce off each other, and collide just like real objects. This is especially useful if you're testing a structure or just experimenting with how different shapes interact. It's also a really cool way to bring your design to life without needing any advanced software. And there's another fun trick inside SimLab. While the simulation is running, you can click and throw a marble at your design. That means you can literally launch an object into your model and watch it knock things over, almost like a bowling pin setup. If you've built a tower, bridge, or stacked objects, this is a great way to see how stable your design really is. It's one of the easiest ways to play with Tinkercad and make the experience more hands-on. Now let's move on to Minecraft mode. If you want to turn your 3D model into something that looks like it belongs in Minecraft, this is the feature you'll want to use. To access it, click the Minecraft icon in the top right toolbar. It usually looks like a block or a pickaxe style icon depending on the interface. Once you open it, Tinkercad lets you convert your model into a block-based version. You can also adjust the detail level using pixelation settings like 1x, 2x, or 4x. The lower the detail, the more blocky and simplified the design becomes. This is useful if you want a clean Minecraft-style look, or if you're trying to match the size and style of a build for your world. It's a really creative way to see your designs in a completely different format. Even better, Tinkercad lets you export these designs directly into your Minecraft world. That means you can design something in Tinkercad first, then bring it into the game and use it as part of your build. For students, creators, and Minecraft fans, this is one of the coolest ways to connect design and gameplay. It makes Tinkercad feel less like a simple modeling app and more like a creative playground. Next up is Lego mode, also called Bricks mode. If you want to see how your model would look if it were built out of Lego pieces, this feature is perfect. To use it, click the Lego brick icon next to the Minecraft icon in the top right toolbar. Tinkercad will then convert your model into Lego-style bricks. What makes this feature especially useful is the build guide. Tinkercad doesn't just show you the brick version of your design. It also gives you a layer-by-layer plan so you can recreate the model with real Lego bricks. That means you can use your digital design as a real-world building guide. Whether you're planning a school project, a creative display, or just having fun, this mode adds a whole new level of interaction. So if you were wondering how to play Tinkercad, the answer is that you can actually do a lot more than just design. You can simulate physics with SimLab, turn your model into a Minecraft build, or create a Lego-style version with a step-by-step guide. These features make Tinkercad fun, creative, and surprisingly interactive for beginners and experienced users alike. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.